Hi, have you ever wondered that there must be some mysterious places on Earth that you never knew existed? Well, in this video, we're going to know about 10 mysterious places on Earth that you must know about. Wait till you see a spooky island covered with creepy dolls hanging and a fort where a beautiful princess's spirit wander at night. Welcome to Curious Cat. Let's get started. Number 1. Easter Island. You can find these huge statues on an island in Polynesia. This land's native name is Rapa Nui. These archaeological famous figures in this land, which are called Mai, by the way, are almost 900 in numbers. These were created by the natives of this land from 13th to 15th century. I assume they would have worked days and nights to build these. Many statues just have their heads above the ground, or some have their bodies beneath the ground. The mystery behind this is that who made these natives to carve such big figures who can weigh at least 80 tons? What was the purpose behind it? Whereas my concern is whether these people were paid for this work or not. Number 2. The Nazca Lines. Almost 300 different mysterious shapes of animals, plants, and different figures. You can find these in the southern Peru. These mysterious lines are almost 10,000 in numbers and 30 meters wide. Question is, who has drawn these huge shapes? Why they're carved in such a massive way that they can only be seen above the ground, or by standing on the nearby hilltops? Speculations are that there are some UFOs who have created these shapes as they landed here. My suggestion is, if someone was doing this massive artwork, they should have put their signatures next to the shapes so we can identify them. But what was the actual truth behind these shapes? No one knows, and neither do I. Number 3. Richat structure, which is also called the Eye of Africa. These unique, perfectly round circles in the middle of the desert has created many speculations in people's mind. Some say that these mysterious circles are formed because of some meteor exploration. Other than that, there are some geological search who have also found some mysterious scripts which led back to ancient history. Now, the question is why these structures have been created and who created them, and what was the purpose behind it, and what is so mysterious about these scripts. Number 4. Bermuda Triangle. Located in the state of Alaska, Bermuda Triangle is also called Devil's Triangle, which, being associated with the devil, is spooky by its name. Quite a number of ships, aircrafts are said to be disappearing in the vicinity of this triangle, without any trace, and no one knows where they vanished. So science has jumped in this matter, and they claim that because of the heavy electromagnetic rays, the human connection in this region go dismissed. But some people say that all this vanishing happens because of some definite paranormal existence. People of this area tend to believe that there is some kind of a sea monster or workers of the devil who do the deed, and that is why they never return. People just vanish in this area and no one knows where they go. Well, it's still a mystery to me. What do you think about it? Number 5. Stonehenge. This monumental mysterious landmark is being found in England. These perfectly placed stones, which by the way, no one knows who placed there, are almost 13 feet long and they weigh around 25 tons. This ancient landmark is considered the burial site for the elite. You can call it rich people's graveyard. But some speculations also consider this as some alien site. No one knows how this much heavy stones are moved from their places and put together in such a significant way. Was there a specific purpose behind it? Or again, it could be some kind of a spacecraft. Some even consider it as an upside down or a way to reach some other world. Different researchers have claimed different significance of this place. But what the real mystery is, no one knows. Moving on number 6, we have the Bhangra Fort, India. As apparent by its name, this fort is located in Rajasthan, India. The people who live nearby this place claim to have some kind of a presence of one cursed princess. The mystery behind this is that there was a beautiful princess who used to live in this fort and whose beauty was very famous around the town. There was a wizard who fell in love with her and was wanting to marry her. But because he was having nothing in his pocket except some magic tricks, which obviously were not enough to impress your highness, so he tried to give the princess a love potion that could make her fall in love with him. But the plan backfired and the princess realized the trick and threw away the potion, and the wizard ended up dead. But while dying, he cursed the princess and the whole town. Legend has it that his curse ended up true, which ruined the whole town, and the princess was also dead. Since then, the spirit of the princess wandered around the fort. Today, the place is considered one of the most haunted places in India, and no one is allowed to enter the fort after dark. Locals have reported deaths in the area because of the curse. I wonder if the princess still would be a beautiful ghost or not. On number 7, the all-famous Area 51. Area 51 is the name of US Air Force facility. It's been built in Nevada desert. This area is called to be used for tests and experiment for aircraft weapons, which is suspicious to all of us. But because of so much secrecy and remoteness of this area, it's been considered to have some other purposes as well. Speculations are that there are many UFOs sighted here, and this area have a direct connection with the aliens. Also, it's been said that many experiments on aliens are performed here. I think they invite aliens for a tea party and then trap them here for the experiments. Just saying. Even people who work here are not even allowed to talk about their work to anyone else. See, I told you. Moving on number 8, here comes the creepiest and bizarre island of dolls that we talked about in the beginning. This small island is located in the south center of the Mexico City. This creepy island is being created by a man called Don Julian Santana Barrera. You'd be thinking how this creepy island was created and why. Well, the story is that Julian found the dead body of a drowned girl at the lake. Nearby, he saw the girl's doll floating, so he hung up the doll at a nearby tree out of respect of that little girl. Short after this incident, he started hearing voices and whispers. He even started seeing shadows following him in the dark. So he started hanging the dolls on the trees just to pacify that little girl's soul. And he did that all of his life until he died in 2001. Legend has it that his dead body was almost found near the place where he found the drowned girl's body. Number 9. Paris Catacombs. If you're interested in human skulls and corpses, then Paris Catacombs is the right place for you. This bizarre place is considered a tourist attraction, which still I don't know why. This tunnel is filled with almost 7 million skulls and bones. Why these corpses are gathered in this place, what's the purpose behind it, it's still a mystery. In 2009, a video camera was discovered inside the catacombs, showing an unknown man suddenly dropping the camera by getting frightened of something unknown in the darkness. Number 10. The Suicide Forest. This forest is considered to be the most haunted and supernatural place on Earth. Now you'd be thinking that almost every forest in the world is considered haunted, but this place has some significance of its own kind. This place is considered to be the homeland for people to commit suicide, who are fed up from their life. Once you enter the forest, you get the horrors of hopelessness. Legend has it that this forest is being haunted by the people who have committed suicide here. Some people even say that whoever enters the forest are forced to commit suicide by the demons who lives inside the forest. Almost every year, 60 to 70 dead bodies are annually found in this creepy forest. So these were the 10 mysterious places on Earth that you may or may not know about. Which was your favorite one? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what other topic do you want me to make another video on. So subscribe to my channel to get more curious and interesting videos like this. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up.